Hi guys, hope you're having an amazing and fine day. In today's topic, we're gonna see about what is async task and why we are using async task. Why we have used async task. Why means nowadays we've been switched into RX Java, and then there are a lot of stuffs which we can manage to do long time running operations and used for running the operation same in background. So async task is little outdated. Before we are gonna see what is actually Java and how to perform some operations in RX Java, and then what are coroutines, how to execute a block of code in coroutines without interacting with the main thread. We need to know what is actually async task. That's what we're gonna see about in this video. Now let's see. Like I said before, async task is used for long running operations as well as doing in background. That do in background without interacting with the main thread. Why it should not be interacted with the main thread in case if I want to perform some long running operations means this is a place where in case if user is performing any action or the user is interacting with the UI, it is grasped as a events and then or actions, everything want to be dealt around here. So in the same area, if I'm dealing also the other operations or code like code block execution, it might take some time. It will reduce the app flexibility as well as reliability. The app might be slow. That's why even the app is like a small application. It doesn't consist of many API integrations or payment gateway transactions. Of course it will be so slow because if we are doing it one by one. What the thing means, while we are executing some of the codes here, it will be executed serially, not parallelly. I'll show you some codes like log t, and then I'm printing the thread name, so you can also have an idea. This log is like running in which thread. So on create 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so let's run this. See, each and every thread is running in main thread. So the thread is actually main thread. Of course, it is running serially. It doesn't even have like a time complexity now, but it might if there this kind of codes are many. So what does async task actually do means it will create a specific thread and allows that kind of operations or a code block to run inside that thread. I'll show you how. I'm creating a specific thread. Thread runnable, and then want to execute this. Let's create an object and override the method inside that runnable. So I'm giving a for loop inside it, and I want to 10. Okay. For each 1 second, the thread want to be delayed. So 1000 millisecond I want. So what we can give here. First of all, I want to print the die, and then of course you want to see about the thread name, right? First we'll give the thread name. Thread dot current thread form name. Okay, now it is perfect. We'll run, delete it, and wait for it, and then now you can see main, and this thread name doesn't consist of main because we have created a new thread. So it doesn't have anything to do with its main thread. I hope you guys understand. So you also might ask, there is a possibility to create another thread, right? Why I have to go for async task to achieve this kind of things? Of course, along with this thread, async task is a class which have also added features and many overridden methods and avoid some of the boilerplates where it can create. So I'll show you by example. Okay, this is what the simple intro about async task. In next video, we will see detailing how we want to perform some operations, especially data fetching through API, and then how the multi-threading can be done using this async task. After that, we will move into RX Java, uh, like how to do some background operations with subscriber and publisher pattern, and then we'll go to coroutines as well. Thank you for today having your time and watching this video. Please like and subscribe.